So now that you've created your study, it's time to think about deploying it to your participants. So in order to do that, you're going to need to get the study protocol file that has been generated by the schema builder to upload to your own server. So to find this, open the study that you want to deploy, and then on the study page, click on the code icon that sits next to the cog in the top right hand corner. This will display a JSON representation of your study, so you can either copy this directly from here, or you can click on the download button to download it as a JSON file. You'll need to upload this JSON file to your own server. There's some additional details about deployment and distribution on the GitHub page, and essentially participants will enroll in your study by scanning a QR code that points to the URL where you're hosting your JSON file, or by entering the direct URL. You can also shorten URLs for distribution using bit.ly.